Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts at home like Krispy Kreme. First, activate your yeast in warm water. Look for a foamy top after about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, combine milk, sugar, salt, eggs, and softened butter with the activated yeast. Gradually add 5 cups of all-purpose flour, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead this dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until it doubles in volume, which usually takes 1 to 2 hours. Once your dough has beautifully risen, gently roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Use a donut cutter to create your classic donut shapes, including the centers. Now, place these cut donuts on a baking sheet, cover them, and let them proof for a second time, about 30 to 60 minutes, until they look puffy. Heat your frying oil to precisely 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few donuts into the hot oil, frying each side for about 1 minute until they are a lovely golden brown. The signature glaze is surprisingly simple to make. Begin by melting 1/2 cup of butter in a microwave-safe bowl. Once melted, whisk in 2 cups of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until well combined. Now, slowly add 5 to 7 tablespoons of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuously whisking. You want to achieve a smooth, thin consistency that will beautifully coat your warm donuts without being watery. This glaze is what gives them that authentic, melt-in-your-mouth Krispy Kreme experience. The final, most satisfying step is glazing your warm donuts. Gently dip each donut into your prepared glaze, flipping it to ensure both sides are completely coated. Place them on a wire rack so any extra glaze can drip away, leaving a perfect, thin coating. For the ultimate experience, serve these delicious treats immediately while they are still warm. If you happen to have any left, store them in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their delightful freshness for a short time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.